Please read and understand the Onefinity CNC Quick Change Wasteboard manual before attempting to assemble. Ensure that all wires and cables are unplugged before beginning assembly. Always ask for assistance if something is too heavy for you to lift by yourself.
Welcome to the Onefinity CNC Secure From Below Quick Change Wasteboard video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to attach your MDF slats to your Secure From Below wasteboard. So without further ado, let's get started.
On page 27 of the QCW manual, we'll find a diagram showing us how to cut the slats for our wasteboard. Cutting the slats this way reduces the amount of waste and maximizes the amount of slats we can get out of a 4x4 piece. If you'd rather not cut the slats yourself, you can always have your local big box store such as Home Depot or Lowe's cut the slats for you in store. After we've cut our slats out, now we're going to show you the first of the two ways to attach the MDF slats to your quick change wasteboard frame. Start with your quick change wasteboard frame on a large table or on the floor and flip it over so that the bottom of the T-tracks are facing up. We will then slide our MDF slats into place underneath our quick change wasteboard frame. Once we have those slats in place, we can go through with our drill and our included screws. We're going to set our drill to a low torque setting, and then we are going to drill through the holes on the bottom of the T-tracks into the MDF to secure it. Once we've attached the slats with a low torque drill, we can then secure them all the way with a Phillips head screwdriver, and we're ready to flip the wasteboard over and we're ready to attach our machine. This concludes the first of the two options. Next, let's get to attaching it with the machine attached to the quick change wasteboard frame.
Now that we have our MDF cut and ready to go, we're going to go ahead and get started with attaching it to our quick change wasteboard frame.
Following our quick change wasteboard manual, we're going to slide our slats onto the quick change wasteboard frame. Once our slats are in place, we can slide the quick change wasteboard frame about 12 inches off of the front of the table. With the front of our frame slid off of our table, we can start by securing the wasteboard by the front screw of each slat. Once you have the front screws secured, we will use the two injection molded pieces that are included with your quick change wasteboard. These two pieces are stands so that we can secure the rest of the MDF to the frame. Leaving your quick change wasteboard frame in a position with about a 12-inch overhang, with the X-rail moved to the back of the machine, lift up the front of the QCW frame and place the stands under the two widest points underneath the back tube. Once both stands are in place, we can gently set the Onefinity down, leaving it standing at an angle. With the Onefinity resting on our stands, we can now secure the rest of the MDF using the remaining screws. After securing the MDF slats with a drill, we're going to go back over and just do some final tightening down with a screwdriver so that we don't over tighten and strip out the MDF. Once all of our slats are secure, we can lower our QCW frame back down by tilting it up, removing the stand blocks, and laying it back down and pushing it back onto the table. This concludes the Onefinity CNC Secure From Below wasteboard video.